Get noticed in this 2010 Jeep Liberty.
Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle.
Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle:
Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.